A grinding noise in a Kenmore washing machine is often a sign of resistance to the washer's moving parts. This issue can be caused by poor installation, uneven distribution of laundry in the drum, or the presence of foreign objects that have become stuck in the appliance. To resolve the problem, it's essential to first remove any foreign objects that may be lodged in the washer. This can be done by pressing the Start/Pause button to stop the current cycle, unloading the drum, and checking for any items that may be obstructing the washer's operation. The drain filter should also be inspected for any stuck objects. Additionally, ensuring the load is balanced in the drum is crucial, as overloading can put a strain on the washer's ability to balance itself. To achieve this, pause the cycle, redistribute the laundry, and make sure not to exceed the recommended capacity. Another important step is to level the washer, which can be done using a wrench to adjust the leveling legs, guided by a spirit level, until the appliance is plumb. It's also vital to ensure the washer is installed on a hard, level floor or platform. By following these steps, the grinding noise should be resolved, and the washer should operate smoothly.